Conasatatu, how are you? Mary Allen on Shaw, Mary Allen here, and we're on Triu Law, our third law of 30 days of meditation. It's a Galua Armagin. It's very early in the morning. It's a little bit dark and dull, but I'm going to go and sit over on the bench and meditate. Bigilong, join me. Gramor.